So hi guys, welcome to Canadian Canary. So we are unboxing one iPad, Apple iPad.
So this is my new iPad. Let's unbox it.
It is some
Dock.
Okay, yeah, it's coming out. The iPad is coming out, guys.
This
Is the iPad. Here.
This is my new iPad. It's a pink one, my favorite color. And let me open it.
So
It has a lot of stuff.
we have one charger, charger cable, and one PowerPoint.
And this
I think we have the, what do we call it? The case,
Oh look.
iPad case,
And
what?
the instructions.
Yeah, instruction manual. Instruction manual.
There's something else in here. Let me see. Let's see.
Let's see.
Oh, there's there's a lot of manual.
So we have two iPad Apple stickers. You can see.
And let's
I
open
think we have one more. Nothing. So we don't have anything in
this.
this
So
box.
let's open this. So
Wow.
let's see the screen.
Okay, careful.
So I'm gonna think. Oh, I think
It is taped, so. Wow.
this is the iPad.
Pad. We can turn it on now.
My friend has kind of an
Pad also.
but it broke.
Look. So
English?
we go English, Canada. Start setup menu. Team.